Keeping your cash in the bank might feel safe, but what if I told you it's one of the riskiest things you can do in today's economy? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel that helps you get smarter with your money. Today, we're diving into a critical topic. Dante, keep your cash in the bank. 7 assets that are safer than cash. If you're serious about protecting and growing your wealth, hit that subscribe button and let's get right into it. Your money is losing value every day due to inflation. The banks, they're giving you 0.01% interest, while inflation eats away at your savings at 5%, 6%, sometimes more. Let me show you 7 assets that are safer than keeping your cash sitting in a bank account. 1. Treasury and inflation-protected securities. TIPS are government bonds that adjust for inflation. As prices go up, so does your investment return. Backed by the U.S. government, designed to protect your money from inflation. 2. Gold and precious metals. Gold has preserved wealth for centuries. It's not tied to any government and tends to rise during economic uncertainty. Limited supply, high demand, a time-tested hedge against inflation. 3. Real estate. Owning property or investing through REITs gives you the benefit of appreciation and rental income. Physical asset with real value. Income plus long-term growth. 4. Index funds. A well-diversified stock market investment like an S&P 500 index fund historically returns 8 to 10% per year. Beats inflation. Simple, low cost, and effective for beginners. 5. Dividend-paying stocks. These are companies that consistently pay you part of their profits, no matter what the market does. Passive income plus appreciation. Reinvest dividends to grow even faster. 6. I-bonds issued by the U.S. Treasury. These bonds offer interest that adjusts with inflation, currently one of the best low-risk returns out there. Tax benefits. 7. Your own skills or business. This is one of the most underrated assets. A valuable skill or profitable side hustle can produce returns far beyond any bank account. Control your income. Inflation can't touch a skill that earns you more. So here's the truth. Cash in the bank is silently losing value. Assets grow, protect, and multiply your wealth. These 7 options are all better and safer than letting your money rot in a low-interest savings account. Hit the like button if you found this helpful. Comment below. Where do you keep your money to stay ahead of inflation? And Dante, forget to subscribe for more smart money content that helps you grow your financial future. Thanks for watching. And remember, money doesn't sleep. So make yours work for you.